Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this delicious tea time snack. It's called Kothimbir Vadi. It's low calorie snack with delicious spicy chutney, and this is very crispy on the outside and soft inside. It's called Kothimbir Vadi and it is really easy to make and gluten free. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget the notification bell for my future videos. To make the Kothimbir Vadi, we will need Kothimbir, that is a fresh cilantro. So here I am chopping a handful of cilantro. This is roughly about 2 cups. I absolutely love fresh cilantro or hara dhania. Wherever I want to use it, I use it a lot. So in Kothimbir Vadi, lots of cilantro is used. Now I'm going to take 1.5 cup of besan, a half cup of rice flour, and then a ginger paste, green chili paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and pinch of asafoetida or hing, and salt to taste, half a teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, and ajwain, and chopped fresh coriander. I have also shared this recipe many years back, and the method was little different because it required tempering the onions and all that, but this is a really simple way to make this. Place the bowl, attach the hook, and then let it run. So I want the cilantro or the hara dhania to release some moisture so that the flour is moistened. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil so the Kothimbir Vadi will be nice and soft, crunchy on the outside. Now with little water we want to combine the ingredients. We don't want to form a dough actually. It is just to combine all the ingredients like this. So I'm just going to scrape the bowl. So the mixture is very well combined. Now I'm going to grease a plate like this and then spread this mix so that it is evenly layered. Now I'm going to ready to steam this. So I have the steamer ready. Now I'm going to steam this for about 15 minutes. Now while it's steaming, let's prepare the spicy janjanit chutney. For that I am using this green spring onions, and then I am using the stalks of the cilantro, some mint leaves, and green chili and ginger, and I'm just going to grind this in my magic spice grinder. I have link in the description box. So I run few times just so that I can fit my ice cubes in it, and then put ice cubes so that it has nice green color. Now add salt, black salt and chaat masala, and then run it one more time and see how beautiful, delicious, fresh green colored chutney is ready, and it's really spicy. Now the Kothimbir Vadi mixture is also steamed, and I'm just going to take it out, let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'm going to run the knife around it so I can demold it easily. I'm going to cut it into pieces like this, so perfect square pieces, so that you get that perfect Kothimbir Vadi. And as you can see, it is nice and firm and it holds the shape very well, and it is steamingly hot. Now we are going to shallow fry this. You can also deep fry them, but to have the less calories, I'm just going to shallow fry it until it is nice and golden and crispier on all sides. And as you can see, it is perfectly done. Now this is absolutely delicious with masala chai. So it is ready. Let's serve them. So here our Kothimbir Vadi with janjanit chutney is ready. I really like this combination. It's perfect, it's flavorful, and it is really delicious. So you made it so far. That means you like this video. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.